When light was created, 46 trillion angelic beings was created 70 and 6 trillion eons ago. Birthday spontaneous conception of etheric growth from the seven folds of the universe. From the spiraling point, the origin of primary creation before the lightest atom. Hydrogen energies existed as a form of energy, existed in the form of floating gas. 9 levels of them, from course to biops to ZDs, in the form of subatomic energy. Before weight, before place, before that mega primordial state, or the pure gravitational force from the first sum that summed up to something that could not be speculated or dissectable in time and space, while regurgitating as nothingness that emerged from triple stages of darkness, yet existing, being lighter than the first form of existence. Hydrogen, secondary or evolutionary creation, the evolving of the existing conscious gases, the all-existent gases of nature, the most potent force in all of the bottomless universe that submerged into dark matter. From densities to matter to atoms to cells to organisms, through the physical composition that yaws the life force that force fields the human anatomy. So light was created when trillions were billions and billions were millions and millions were thousands. There were 3 sets of 3 that arose from the 4th division of darkness. It was before light, before energy, before matter, before time and space, before having a body, before the creation of inheriting a soul, before possessing a spiritual energy was vasting into one form as the universe. When light was created 70 and 6 trillion eons ago, led me on the quest for the ultimate theory, the unified field theory, the super spring theory. When light was created, when light was a dot in the universe, and that dot became a line, the line became a wall, the wall became a square. The first dot split like a daughter cell into 2. The second dot formed a circle by completing one cycle around to itself. No human being on this planet knows where the circle begins and ends. And then it began to spin to form an orb, and thus 360 degrees of square and 306 degrees of circle was born, which completes 720 degrees within the spiral. The circle itself was turned inside out and placed within the confines of the square. This was accomplished by first dividing the circle into 4 parts. Geometry was created and dimension was formed. These 9 interdimensional forces through the universe is in their etheric form. When light was created 70 and 6 trillion eons ago, led me on the quest for the ultimate theory, the unified field theory, the super spring theory. When light was created.
Okay, the state of blackness and all, right? Okay, all precedes light, because light is a thing. And let me explain what I mean by light is a thing. Remember I said last week, there's no such thing as light? When they say light, they're talking about different moods of vibrational energy. That means fine particles that are coming from the sun at you at different speeds, and you call them light. There is no such thing as the light.
I separate darkness from light, light in its spherical form. It's at its atomic level when you behold the full spectrum light in its physical state. It manifests as blackness, and it's all light and color, all comprised all blackness. And the manifestation of the solid form of light is melanin as darkness. 3 days light, thus we manifest from the great circle and throne of wisdom through this figure place. This is how the events of creation and procreation were recorded when life existed in and beyond the stars. The all is, was, and will be felt within a love, a divine love that is unknown, felt by those disagreeable beings, and thus emotions was the birth of motion. Things gradually began to move about, and it was then that movement and motion was conceived out of triple stages of darkness. For the light birthed the chaos, thus the motion to create did manifest in existence, and all that exists within the all. When light was created 70 and 6 trillion eons ago, led me on the quest for the ultimate theory, the unified field theory, the super spring theory. When light was defined by wavelengths, which is the measure of the distance from one peak to the top of a wave of light or energy to the next. Light is to be considered from some well-known scientists to be examined with both microscopic particles and wave properties. And the fundamental or quantum theory of light is called the proton, with all light flowing through a harmonic prism or medium that represents whatever is seen through it. The mirage of light becomes 7 beautiful illuminating colors, from green to blue to yellow to red to orange to purple and indigo. Light is the true illusion in reality. The ultimate reality is that light does not really exist. The all is. In Kaloum is darkness, who what they are calling light is not really a mass or a whole. It's within the whole of different moods of vibrational energy to find new particles and proportional particles interwoven within a vessel of force, moving in a specific direction in the void and great darkness of the universe. So where was light created from, and where did it evolve from? From a specific point within space and time and triple stages of darkness, the state of supreme balancement.